How to send a crypto gift card on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can send a gift card as a gift and as a crypto on Binance. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to do so, first of all, simply log into Binance.com and make sure to sign into your account. And after you sign in, you'll see this is how it is going to look like. What you want to do is from the top left, you can see these dot icons in a dice-like icon. So just click on this dot icons and then you want to navigate to the option called Binance Gift Card. When you navigate to the option called Binance Gift Card here, if you'd like to redeem your gift card, then you could just enter your gift card code and then choose the option called Redeem. But since we're trying to send a crypto with a Binance gift card, just click on the option called Send a Crypto Gift Card button over here. As you do that, here you'll be able to see different types of options. Now, first of all, just choose your currency, which could also be your fiat currency in terms of crypto. And after that, just enter the amount that you would like to send. And after that, you also want to enter the quantity. And then after confirmation, the USDT will be deducted from your funding wallet. Choose the option called Buy. And then after you buy the gift card, you'll be able to successfully transfer it and send it as a gift. And that's all it takes to send a crypto as a gift card on Binance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.